Hello, my name is Marina. Welcome to the Black Bag activity. So today we're going to talk about some nature elements and we're going to learn about animals. Okay, are you ready? To start, we're going to play a game. I'm going to show you some pictures and you're going to point to the correct option. Alright, are you ready? Antes de começar, vamos treinar. I'm going to show you two images and you're going to point to the correct option, okay? Let's go? All right. Now, point at the blue butterfly. Very good. Blue butterfly. Repeat. It's a blue butterfly. Awesome. Now, point at the orange fish. Very nice. Repeat. It's an orange fish. Awesome. Now, can you point to the pink flowers? Nice. Repeat. They are pink flowers. Very good. Now, point at the gray stone. Perfect. Repeat. It's a gray stone. Awesome job. Now point at the brown leaf. Great. Repeat. It's a brown leaf. Awesome. Okay, point at the yellow stars. Great job. Repeat. They are yellow stars. Great. Now point at the red ladybug. Great job! Repeat. It's a red ladybug. Awesome job! So today we talked about nature elements and we learned about some animals, right? So I prepared some really nice activities for us to do. So remember to use the black bag materials, okay? Since we learned about animals, we're going to make bird's beak. So, bird's beak. Alright, are you ready? So, for this activity, you will need one piece of paper. Repeat, paper. Great job. You will need two rubber bands. Repeat, rubber band. Awesome. You're going to need one pair of scissors. Repeat, scissors. Awesome. You're going to need tape. Repeat, tape. Awesome. Also, you're going to need a mechanical pencil or a hole puncher. Repeat, mechanical pencil. Awesome. Hole puncher. Great job. Okay, so first we're going to fold this paper in half. Then we're going to cut this paper. Save this for later. Now we're going to fold this one in half again. Now open. It's going to look like this. Okay? Then you're going to fold this here. Open again. And you're going to fold this edge and this edge. Just like this. Okay? Going to look like this. fold it again. All right. And for this, we're going to use a tape to close this part. All right. Then you're going to grab the other piece of paper. I'm going to do the same thing. Fold it in half. Put this edge inside. The other one inside. Okay. This part inside again. Open, fold this edge and this edge. Fold it again. Okay, it's going to look like this. Get the tape again and close it. So we have these two pieces. Okay, now you probably need an adult's help to make a hole in these triangles. Okay, so you're going to put them together like this. All right, so to make a hole here and here, you can use a mechanical pencil or a hole puncher. Like this. And like this. Now you're going to grab one rubber band and put it inside. And put one inside the other and do like this. Okay? Do the same thing on the other side. One rubber band and put one inside of the other and pull it. So it's going to look like this. Okay? To make it look like a bird's beak, you can do some holes for his nose. Let's do like this. Okay? Now let's try it. So we are finished with our bird's beak. Let's try it on. I'm going to put behind your ears, get your rubber band, put behind your ears, and here is your bird's beak. You can even open your mouth. Did you like it? Have lots of fun. Thank you very much for participating. I'll see you next time.